welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for watching my video. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so already. Also, click the post notification bell. That way you are notified every time I upload a video. For the current subscribers, welcome back. So today we are making a stuffed pancake. Just to shorten up the video, I've already browned up some sausage and some cheese eggs and mixed up some pancake mix. I just turned on my skillet. So I'm just gonna wait for this to actually heat up. Hopefully everyone is doing good today. We have been getting snow back to back, back to back, back to back. The last snowstorm, it was a little bit rough, but it was the freezing rain that was like even worse, like after the snowstorm. So I have not been out the house. So again, I'm like, okay, let me drop a video. I haven't eaten, so I wanted pancakes. I'm like, you know what? Might as well stuff the pancakes. So that's what we doing today. So I think this should be warmed enough. Let's see. One second, you guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna take some of this this sausage mix and put inside while that is cooking. Ooh. I know I probably put more meat than anything. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cover up one second. So let's see. So I'm going to give this just a little bit longer. And then I'm going to flip it over. So I'm going to give it about a minute and then I'll be right back. Okay. So let's see. A little bit of spillage, you guys, but it's okay. Not too bad. Not too bad. Um, so yeah, not too bad. Let's see what the other side is looking like. Okay. Okay. So, um, let me go get my butter and my syrup, and I will taste this on camera. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so here's the finishing touch. So we're gonna taste it on camera. I haven't eaten today, so I guess this is breakfast / lunch or whatnot. So let me put some syrup on it. As you could tell, I put there's sausage and eggs throughout the pancake. This is why I love cooking pancakes in the cast iron skillet, because of the crispiness on the edges. Oh my god. But let's see. Absolutely love. Oh my goodness. Y'all. So good. The crispiness on the outside, the sausage, the eggs inside, the all-in-one breakfast. So, so good. So easy to make. You just have to make sure that your batter is thick enough so when you get ready to flip it, that it doesn't fall apart. So this is something, if you don't have a stuffed waffle maker, or you're not quite ready to spend $50 some on a stuffed waffle maker, you can do this. In a cast iron skillet, for the crunchy crispiness on the outside, just makes it so much better. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. If so, leave your girl a like, leave me a comment, get this discussion popping in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And until the next video, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.